Don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our videos. So welcome back, and let's quickly go through the UI part. How is it going to be? Because I don't want to waste too much of your time in the UI, because it's something that you can see the code and quickly do it. Okay, so first I'll show you how are we going to organize the file structure. The first one will be the customized JS. So there will be two parts. One will be the customization part and the other will be the orders page, right? As we already saw here somewhere, I think I had that. Okay, so this is our page for the customization and this is our orders page. So we don't necessarily need to do anything here, but for this page we'll have to have one page that's going to give us this generic part. The second page is not the second page, but something on top of it which is going to give us this customization. So I'm going to do one thing, that I'll take a lot of part from my previously written code, and if you are stuck somewhere, let me know, but I'm going to share the code with you, so it's going to be easy for you to follow along. So let's begin with that. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is I need a customization component. So customization, I don't have this component yet, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove everything because I don't need anything from here, and hopefully it doesn't throw any error, but delete. Okay, new file customization.js, import React. So first I'll use the shortcut to get it, remove the customization, add an arrow function here, and let me copy and paste my code here. I'm going to show you what exactly this is, and as I didn't show you this thing, that what are the states in this. So one state will be the selected theme state. So which exactly theme do we need at that particular time, 1, 2, 3, or 4? And the other states will be theme 1 style, theme 2 style, theme 3 style, because all themes have its own different style. And this is a theme 1 or theme 2 or theme 3 or theme 4. So it's super simple as well. Okay, so let me paste my code here, and you don't even know what this is, so I'm gonna comment it out, t-shirt, because t-shirt is another component. And drop down, these are just from ant design, so let me have that, all those things as well. So ant design, so let me tell you what are the components we'll use from ant design. So menu, drop down, input, and buttons. Okay, so I'll even have an icon, so I'll use the icon, and at this moment I think we are okay with this. So I am sure there's going to be something missing, but let's see. Okay, so I opened it on my another screen. Let me bring it on the main screen. Okay, so compile error, and what is that? Layout is not present. So we have removed everything, so we don't need layout. 404, we don't have layout. Here, do we have layout somewhere? Nope. Orders, testing, yes, we have layout, which we are not even going to use. Okay, so do, alright, so that's fine. And I think the error should go away now. Okay, perfect. So back to customization, and we don't see the customization. Oh, okay, it's because we haven't saved it. So if I save this, I'm gonna see something different, and yes, as expected, customization is not defined. If I go here, customization, I haven't imported it, so now everything will be okay. Hopefully, or hopefully not, but yeah, we'll see. This is running. Let me double check if we have installed Ant. I think we have, but okay, we have Ant, so which is good. Error customization is not defined, it's still loading. Okay, it's rebuilding, so it might take some time in customization JS. Okay, so something didn't go well. On submit, select theme. So these things are not there, I know. Okay, so I'll have to remove it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove most of the part from here. Drop down, we don't, I think we can do everything from scratch. So let's do this thing that, no, but I don't want to do everything from scratch. There are some things which I want like imported right away. On submit, we don't have it. Custom style, theme 3 style. Okay, this is okay. This is not bad. I think this should work. There's nothing else which is missing. Okay, menu is defined but never used. This fine, this is a warning, but this is selected theme is not defined. Okay, I need to import the states as well. So yeah, that's pretty much basic. So all right, should go away. Or if still there is any issue, there is. Theme 1 is not defined, and it's because we don't have into the props. So this is coming from the parent. So use state is not defined. Ah, okay, use state. If you guys are having any trouble with this, just let me know and I can help you out with it. But I have created a basic tutorial for React as well, so up and running with React. So let me know if you need any help in understanding this thing. Okay. Alright, so this should work because we don't have the theme 1, theme 2, theme 3 and theme 4 at this point. So yep, this is looking not bad at this point because we don't have the t-shirt inside of it. So this is going to be the t-shirt and this will be your theme. So if you click on it, it's going to have a drop down and you can select from it. Okay, so let me tell you the t-shirt design thing, like specifically what we have done here. So there will be but 3 layers. So one will be a collar to give it a dark shade. One will be a cutout, which is, as you can see here, this is the outer cutout, and in this, on this cutout there will be this cutout is just to give it a background, like a white background. So behind this cutout I'm going to have, let me select it. Okay, I can have any color that I want in CSS. So if I want a red color t-shirt, so it's going to be this thing. If I want a blue color t-shirt, it's going to be this. If I want a pink one, it might be something from this one, right? So now to give it a realistic look, I am giving a gray, like a overlay on top of it. And as you can see here, the border, like the collar is supposed to be a bit dark. So for that reason, I'm going to give it another overlay, something like this. So I have done the same thing with HTML, CSS. So I have created 3 images and all on top of each other. So let's do that. Inside of our customization, we'll have a t-shirt. So where is the t-shirt thing? Here it is. And in t-shirt, I'll need to create another file called t-shirt .js, and I'll even copy and paste the same thing. T-shirt, I have a lot of custom styling in it, so for the basic style, what I'm going to do here is, okay, so first of all, we need to add another package as well to pick the colors. So let's go ahead and React color. So this thing will go in the background and we can work on our t-shirt thing. So it's an npm, so for that reason I'm gonna use yarn, I guess, because that's what I have been using. cd document ramto education and shirt app and yarn add react color. Okay, this is going to go in the background, and if we go to the t-shirt, I'll need react functional component. Okay, come on, quickly. React functional component. For some reason the shortcut is not working right now. Okay, import react from react, export default, return, and here all I need to do is go another div and let me copy and paste my code. So this is for the image one. Okay, and there will be 3 different kind of images which I'm going to import, and I'll even you will have it in the descriptions in the GitHub repo, so you don't need to worry about that as well. I'm gonna leave these guys as it is because it's not gonna bother us. Okay, where is the t-shirt images? Okay, color, outer, shadow. Okay, so I have these 3 images which I am about to import. This is the color, this is the outer cutting, and this is the shadow. Okay, so we have imported it already here, so let's save it and see how it looks in the background if everything goes well. Oh, I think we haven't saved the t-shirt thing. So first of all, I don't need any of these, so t-shirt should work as normal. A theme to style, warning error, t-shirt is not defined. Sorry, my bad. T-shirt import. Okay. Right, one more error is color is not defined. Where is it? Color, t-shirt, line number 12. T-shirt, line number 12, color. Okay, so this is going to be blue. Okay, nice. So as you can see here, we have, I'm going to remove this and have it on the side. Even this drop down is supposed to work. For some reason it's not working right now, but we can take that thing in a while. So as you can see, red, I'm going to change to red, orange, green. Okay, great. So this is working. This is just a game of positioning. So I have aligned everything position absolute, and this container is having a position of relative. So everything aligns itself to the left side. So this will be the anchor point, and based on this you are able to see this. So it's kind of you need to understand how the positioning works. If you have any issues with that, let me know in the comment below. And I would suggest you, if you want to get better at HTML, CSS, like CSS is kind of a easy looking thing, but in reality it's not. It requires a lot of understanding and creativity. So I would suggest you to answer as many questions on Stack Overflow as you can, because that has helped me a lot. I was spending hours and hours every day. Even if I don't know stuff, I would go there and attempt something, because when people are stuck somewhere, you are helping them being a part of their team. So that has helped me a lot. I would suggest something wrong. There are people who are extremely nice who will help you. Also, there are people who are very brutal with you on Stack Overflow, but they are very knowledgeable. So that's unfortunate that they are so brutal. But eventually, the thing is that we learn. So I would suggest you, if you want to learn that, and that's with everything, even React, JavaScript, and everything. So you can do that. And yeah, for this thing, the t-shirt thing is done, and from the next video we'll talk about the themes. So see you next time, and bye bye, take care.